In this guide, I'll show you how to create a password-protected folder in Windows 11 so you can keep your important files private and secure. First, go to your desktop and right-click on an empty area. Select New, then click on Folder. You can give the folder any name you want. I'm just going to leave it as New Folder. Now move the files you want to protect into this folder. For example, if you have photos, documents, or videos you want to lock, simply drag and drop them into the folder. Once your files are inside, open the folder. Now right-click inside the folder, select New, and then choose Text Document. Open the text document by double-clicking on it. Inside this file, you'll need to paste a batch script that creates the password-protected folder system. After pasting the code, look for the section that says Your Password. Replace it with the password you want to use. For example, I'll use 12,345. You can choose any password you like. Once you've changed the password, click on File in the top left corner and choose Save As. Very important, change Save As type from text documents to all files. Now name the file protect.bat, then click Save. After saving, close Notepad. You'll now see a new file called protect.bat inside the folder. At this point, you can delete the original text document because it's no longer needed. Now double-click on the protect.bat file. A new folder called Private will automatically appear. This is the secure folder. Move all the files you want to protect into the private folder. Once done, double-click on protect.bat again. It will ask, "Are you sure you want to lock the folder?" Type Y. Then press Enter. The folder will now disappear completely. Whenever you want to access the folder again, simply double-click on the protect.bat file and enter your password. After entering the correct password, the hidden folder will reappear and you'll be able to access your files again. And that's how you can create a password-protected folder in Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips and tutorials.